This new car has an extremely innovative design. But it contains traditional elements of the Ferrari history, like the engine, the rear engine in view, typical of the sports car 8-cylinder Ferrari. All the design choices are driven by aerodynamics, but the final result is very light and essential. There is only one mount with a central pillar that is sustaining two pins that may have a deformation in high speed to improve the aerodynamic performance. The side view has a very simple, classical and clean design. An innovative solution is a side pin that is conveying the air to the rear radiators for the optimization of the aerodynamics. As far as the rear view, the upper part, the main feature of the upper part are the two outlets for the cooling of the engine, the exit of the air from the engine. The lower part, particularly innovative, is the side elements, like two keels that work as fairings of the rear wheels, and the central elements hanging from the frame of the car that is containing two exhaust pipes and a central pipe.